What's going on? Thanks so much for joining me on this Android lover switches to iPhone adventure. New episodes are going up weekly, so be sure to subscribe and hit the stupid bell so you don't miss any episodes. Shameless plug over. Now that that's out of the way, my name is Brent and I am a Android fanatic. I had the original G1 back in 2010 and I've had nothing but Android phones and tablets ever since. I remember seeing Kevin Pereira on Attack of the Show on the G4 channel way back in the day. He was talking about the first iPhone versus the first Android phone, the G1, and he kind of summed it up like, if you want something that just works, get the iPhone. If you want something you can tinker and play with, get the Android. I was instantly sold. That was right around the time that I started tinkering and hacking stuff, and I got my original PlayStation, PSP, yeah, the PlayStation Portable, the OG, the fat one. I had one of those and I hacked it to play games off of the SD card and everything. It was awesome, it had emulators on it, it was sick. But that was the start of my hacking and tinkering life, I guess you could say. So when he said, you know, if you want a phone you can play with, G1's where it's at, that's where I went. Haven't looked back since. So yeah, I don't have an iPhone, I don't have an Apple Watch, I don't have a Mac, I don't have an iPad, none of that. Never have. So this video series will show what it's like for a real deal Android fanatic to switch to iPhone. Why don't I have an iThing? Because I remember back when the iPhone 4 came out and the whole antenna gate thing happened. I remember the way Jobs came out on stage and was like, well, I guess I can give you guys bumper cases.
Okay, great. Let's give everybody a case.
And we've all seen that email that he sent back saying you're holding it wrong. Yeah, all that just disgusted me to a point where I was just like, I am never going to give Apple a dime. And I never have. But as time has gone on and Android has pulled further and further away from iOS and iPhones in general, I've looked on like, why do people buy these things? Well, I'm gonna find out, and I'm gonna bring you all along with me. I am going to go to the store today and buy a brand new iPhone XS Max. I will call it an XS at some point. It's just gonna happen. I have to be mindful, but it's gonna happen. Anyway, I'm going to bring you all along with this. This is a hidden camera pin. There's actually a camera right up here. I don't even know if you can see it in the video, but trust me, it's there. And this is what the video out of that looks like. It's really pretty good considering. The thing was only 40 bucks or something on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description if you want to check it out. But all in all, the thing works pretty well. So I'm gonna bring you guys along with this, and we're gonna go buy an iPhone. I found out Apple has a 2-week return policy, so I am going to use it for a week, week and a half, something like that, and maybe I'll bring it back at the end, maybe I won't. Either way, at the end of the week, week and a half, I'm gonna give my honest, as unbiased opinion as I possibly can on the device itself, iOS, Apple, all that stuff. And I have to say the annoyances start before I even get the damn phone. I was making sure my Apple ID worked because I had it synced with my work phone and it got hacked. So I reset the password, get everything all set up, try to log in, and it takes me to a screen that says, verify your security questions, or answer your security questions, or whatever the hell it said. I don't know what the hell the answers to these things were. I literally used the Apple ID thing for nothing, like the work phone. I never even touched the damn thing. I've logged into the Apple ID thing maybe twice ever, so I have no idea what the answers to these stupid security questions are. No problem, I hit the button that says recover your security questions. It takes me to a white page that just says in black letters, not enough info, something along those lines. That's it. So cool, all right, great, can't log in, awesome. I call Apple. Guy that comes on the phone's like, hey, yeah, I have to transfer you to the iTunes department. Okay, fine, it's kind of weird, but all right, whatever. Oh yeah, by the way, it's a 10-minute and 40-second wait. Awesome, great, cool, fine, whatever. At least Apple gives you a choice of your hold music. That's kind of cool. So lady finally picks up, and long story short, after being on the phone with this lady for like 20 minutes, she says, I can't get back into my account. There is no way to do it. Even though I remembered the password to my account, they can't get me back into my account. She seriously said, just make a new one. Never in my life have I heard of a service unable to get you back into your own account that you know the username and password for. Never. And I'm like, what if there was info in there that I needed? What about my data? Luckily, I didn't have anything in it, but what if I did? She was like, it's because of our high security. And I'm thinking to myself, high security? Security's so damn good, I can't get into my own damn account. But whatever, it doesn't matter. I didn't have anything in there anyway because I never used it anyway. But still, it's just, how in the hell can you not get me back into my account when I know the username and password? That blows my mind. Good job, Apple, starting off on a great foot. So I created a brand new email address for this stupid Apple ID. Feel free to email me if you'd like. The email address is iPhone4a week@gmail.com. In the next episode, we will be going to the store and buying an iPhone. Talk to you soon.